tutorial to how to cook. First, grab a pan. That's the very first thing that you could do. Open the thing. Alright. Turn it on. Function. Wait. And then set it to 1000. And you're pretty much set from here. Alright. Now, get a pan and get 2 eggs. Yeah. Crack the egg. There we go. Get a spoon or a fork if you like. Teleport to the egg and then start. Wait, no. We need seasoning. Get salt and yum yum. Open the box and then put some salt in the egg. Really anything that you could think of. The back up. Open this thing. Alright. Put the yum yum in the eggs. In the yolks. And then grab your spoon right here and start swirling around. 10 million years later. Alright, now we need the recipe. Butter! Open up the butter. Wait, there we go. Who ate all the butter? And teleport to the stationery and grab this thing. I don't know how to call it. Grab the last piece of butter. Alright, mission success. Now put the butter in the pan. There you go. Ready up the egg and watch as the butter die. And oil the whole pan. Wait. Alright. Much better. Oh, Don't mind if I burn my fingers because I'm usually a master at doing this. Not that much. And wait until the last piece of butter becomes liquid. Boom. And then literally everything you could. Goodbye, egg. We're going to cook you now. Alright. Now, do anything that you could do for the egg. And then now spin this thing around. I'm gonna skip to the recording because it's gonna be hot cooking. Alright, now you're gonna flip this. Pan. And now watch as the back side of the egg cook. Prepare a steel pan. And put it anywhere you could. Move the pan to the other one. And wait until something. Take the pan and put it in the bowl. That's it. Wait, you forgot one thing. Seasoning. Grab a black pepper powder. It reads black pepper. Wow. And then open the black pepper thing. Pow. And then, no, I fell for it. Put softly inside the cap of the black pepper. Wait. Oh, shh. Clean up the mess and then season it. And that's how you cook the perfect egg.